This is our Suncast little outdoor storage shed we use for the garbage, and I really love it. We've had it for 6 years, and usually we just put this little carabiner right here, and the bottom locks down. So the bottom locks down with that little pedal there, so you can flip that up if you want to open these doors and take your garbage out. And then just to put the garbage in, you just throw it in, and when it's garbage day, you can get that going. But I really love it. It's fantastic, waterproof, and it's just a very low key, good looking. It kind of blends in with the side of the garage here. If you have a siding, it just is low profile again, and it's really nice to store away anything if you have extra toys, stuff that you don't want hanging around the house and you want to tuck it away at the end of the day. It is a really nice option. I highly recommend it.